try to express opinions or, stake a particular side that feels fixed. We really try to encourage them to research, to learn, to ask questions, to think about multiple perspectives, and then to form their arguments and ideas.
Last year, 97% of the school's graduating class was accepted to college. All right, Keith is here. It has been quite a week.
It has been.
For weather.
A lot going on.
And in general.
Yeah, and I'm happy that this weekend we can kind of just...
Yeah, I think it's a very festive weekend. Everything it's going to be cold enough, but it's not going to be disruptive. We were actually looking at going to Gardens Aglow, but we're too late on that drop from what it turns out, which it does look like a good weekend for that. Really nice and quiet, but cold. It's going to be chilly here going forward over the next couple of days. 28 in Portland right now, 14 in Rangeley, 18 in Greenville. 20 in Caribou. Will drop down to the single digits in quite a few spots tonight with clear skies. We don't have much on the satellite, so that combination of clear skies, light winds tends to allow temperatures to fall off pretty quickly. So forecast lows, we took the models and chopped them just a bit here down to the single digits in Berlin and to Rangeley, and I think Greenville could be 8, 9, 10 degrees, 8 in Caribou, and then along the coastline will be around 15 and about 10 inland, except for Freiburg, around 5 or 6. So it will be cold by late tonight, early tomorrow morning. And tomorrow is a lot like today. It's sunny, but it's not particularly warm. Temperatures struggle to get above 30. Most of us do not get there. Maybe 30, 31 over far southern Maine. The rest of us in the 20s, the mountains in the teens. If you're thinking about going skiing, they are, of course, creating as much snow as possible. They had a pretty good base. They did get a rainstorm, trying to recover from that. So I would bundle up because it'll be in the teens and they'll probably be blowing snow in your face when you're skiing too. So that's something I've run into before. And it continues to be cold overnight tomorrow night. If anything, it's colder tomorrow night, below zero in the mountains, 5, 6 degrees below zero in a lot of cases here. And then the coastline is probably a bit colder than this, around 10 to 12 degrees. So it will be a cold night tomorrow night. Start back to the sun on Sunday. Temperatures right around freezing, and then we cloud up a bit on Sunday afternoon. But overall, it's a sunny and quiet weekend. Our next system moves in on Monday night. That's just a little impulse of energy initially, giving us some light rain and snow showers. By the time the actual system gets here on Tuesday morning, it will be, it looks like, all rain, and that's up into Canada. So it looks like another kind of warm front situation. Not nearly as much rain as last time, not nearly as much wind as last time either, but it will be, looks like likely not a wintry type situation on Tuesday. Watching Thursday and Friday, you saw that storm just whiz by us and another one trying to swing in here. Last model run, the Euro combined those two into a big rain and wind storm. So I don't think the models quite know what's going on yet in the mid-range. So I hate doing this, but I put watching on 2 days, Thursday and Friday of next week. Just an update on the drought monitor. People have asked me. Moderate drought for the entire state, more or less, except for northern Aroostook County, but that does not include the rain that we just got. So I don't really know exactly how much impact that has because hydrology is kind of like a different field. So we'll wait to see exactly what they've got there. And again, we'll watch late next week. There's something kicking around. Could very well go out to sea. I'm not sure, but that's why we put watching for Thursday and Friday.
All right, take a little rest this weekend.
It's so hard.
Thanks, Keith.